Hey, yes, y'all, this is Grandmaster Mel giving a big shout out to the Message magazine. From one messenger to another is the message, baby.
It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Broken glass everywhere, people pissing on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise, got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with a tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breezes blow. A crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of garbage pails, used to be a fag hag, such a dance to tango, skipped the life and dango. A zircon princess seemed to lost her senses, down at the peep show, watching all the creeps, so she could tell her stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so did it. She had to get a pimp, she couldn't make it on her own. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
My brother's doing bad, stole my mother's TV. Says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night. Can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a bum education, double-digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. Neon King Kong standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Broke my sacroiliac, a mid-range migraine, cancer membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going insane, I swear I might hijack a plane. Don't push me, call, I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Grand groove, catch the beat. Well, good evening, everybody, so glad you're here. All the people in the front, the people in the rear. When you came to the door, you was expecting to see Grand Groove Rock, the ceremony. Well, I'm the capital T, as intact. I got the double E, which follows in the back. I'm the S, the K, and the I. I'm the lady romancer, I'm the cool fly guy. I'm the lady chaser, I'm the rhyme creator. When I say a deaf rhyme, Frank, you never hear one greater. Like a hip hop, a little hip hop, a dop. I listen to me T-Ski while I rock the spot. I catch the beat. I catch the beat. It's the B-B-E-E-A-A-T-T-T-T. It's your body. I catch the beat. It's the B-B-E-E-A-A-T-T-T-T-T-T-T in your mind and your body. best of the deaf MCs in the West. T-Ski is on the mic stand. Somebody started something, everybody's jumping. All the girls are in a fist fight. You see they melt like butter when they see Slick Crocker make his appearance of the night. And if you're thinking that will get you spanking, you know that you're on the right track. Because the crew that should be the head of your head, cause you know we got it like that. I catch the beat. So sweet.
Ty to jsi jak čolek, ty jo.
Celé ledový. Tohle si dáme.
Nemezis, minimálně.
Děkujeme za sledování našeho filmu. Jako, bylo to super, ale teďka budu muset se věnovat vlastnímu programu, což je posilování.